How can an ergonomic keyboard increase your efficiency and save your job? The global crisis has not spared thousands of people in the real estate industry, which scored a massive layoff of at least 7,000. This is ironic in an industry that has produced millionaires among ordinary men and women in recent years. Today, even these real estate agents turned millionaires are facing a bleak future. And a surefire formula against layoff is to improve performance at work. So, are you this? Or this? Unless facing bankruptcy, no employer will let go of an employee who has performed well on his job. And you won't second guess what happens to an employee who is always on sick leave. However, most often than not, employees who felt sick were not actually sick, but could be suffering from repetitive stress injuries. Repetitive stress injuries is characterized by all sorts of pain: wrist pain, shoulder pain, and back pain, to name a few. Oftentimes, pain is caused by repetitive tasks over a period of time, which is made worse by inappropriate office equipments. Left unattended, repetitive stress injuries can cause disability. The human body is like a machine. It has tolerance levels for stress and repetitive tasks. However, when limits are exceeded, repetitive strain injuries can occur. How does the use of ergonomic keyboard help? For the employee, his knowledge of ergonomics can impact his efficiency at work, which the boss will surely take notice of and would secure his tenure on his job and might even qualify him for a raise. For the employer, the use of ergonomics will minimize, if not totally eliminate, lost hours on the job by an employee suffering from RSI. Minimize layoff and switch to ergonomics. Switching to ergonomics can be your answer to difficult times, not layoff. For reasonably priced ergonomic office equipments, visit ergonomicsmadeeasy.com. Once again, that's ergonomicsmadeeasy.com.